it's not going to be enough for the extra 2 billion who are coming our way.
Well, we could open more cropland.
Well, not really, Dad. That's why the numbers are so scary. If you combine all the cropland in the world, it takes up almost 6 million square miles. That's as much land as the whole continent of South America. And we use even more land to raise animals, 11.5 million square miles for pasture land. If you put all that land together, you'd have a ranch the size of Africa. Really, there's not much good farming land left. So, unless you want to totally bulldoze the rainforest.
Well, maybe just a little bit. Well, how many National Geographic specials do those things need?
Oh, I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that. Dad,